History. Factory Five Racing, commonly known as Factory Five, is an American kit car manufacturer founded by Dave Smith in Wareham, Massachusetts. In 1995, Dave Smith, an automotive enthusiast and entrepreneur, established the company with the vision of making high-performance kit cars that would allow individuals to build their dream sports cars. Early success. Factory Five achieved early success by offering a range of kit cars inspired by classic and contemporary sports cars. One of the company's notable models was the Factory Five Cobra Replica, a faithful recreation of the iconic Shelby Cobra. These kits allowed enthusiasts to assemble their Cobras with modern components and customization options, capturing the essence of the original. Best inventions. Factory Five's best invention was the concept of offering comprehensive kit packages that included everything needed to build a high-performance car, except the donor vehicle, typically a Ford Mustang. This approach simplified the kit car building process, making it more accessible to a wider audience. Factory Five also focused on providing detailed instructions and support to builders, ensuring a successful and rewarding experience. Recent developments. In the years following its founding, Factory Five continued to expand its lineup, offering kits for various models, including the GTM supercar and the 818 sports car. The company also embraced new technologies and materials, incorporating elements like space-frame chassis and lightweight composites into its designs. Factory Five remained at the forefront of the kit car industry, continually refining its offerings. Current status. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Factory Five Racing was actively producing and selling kit cars to automotive enthusiasts worldwide. The company still maintains a strong presence in the kit car market, offering a range of models that appeals to a diverse audience of builders and collectors.